pick up wounded or deliver additional supplies. Shows of force to remind the enemy of the constant pressure of air power and the air program in the air.
5 jumpers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before they pop their chutes, I counted 6.
You will see the C-17 inbound with our jumpers getting ready to go. At about 30 seconds out, they will be encouraged to walk down to the end of the ramp and wait for the And there they go! Jumpers have exited the aircraft and are accelerating towards the ground at speeds of over 140 miles per hour. The jumpers are maneuvering their bodies to maintain visual contact with the lowest jumper and signal when it is time for them to deploy their canopies. At this time, coming in hot from Birmingham's flag, let's make some noise for Gabe Downey! Now entering the landing zone from Salem, Oregon with 646 jumps. Gentlemen, and an aerial salute to our nation's heroes. Our final sung by Miss Rachel Bradshaw. Flight test. Sunrise stars.